In this video, I will start the engine and see if the previously restored carburettor works, but will it be so easy? This is E10 petrol. There's oil. On modern engines, the level is often checked without turning the dipstick on the threads, which I don't think is the case here. Either way, it's fine. There's enough oil in the compressor pump, which is handy as I don't have any more. Excess fuel used to come out of this hole. It's dripping. There it goes. As the fuel wouldn't stop dripping, I thought the float valve may be stuck and operated the button several times to free it off, making things worse. Here we go. Nothing. Not even a pop. Lean mixture when starting has always been a problem with this engine, which is why I have to overflow the carb. Maybe there's an air leak from the reused gasket. This silicone sealer should provide a temporary fix. No. Fuel is definitely getting through. Recheck the spark. Intermittent spark. Clean the points. New plug. It's still the same, but the spark now looks weak. The Wyco condenser can't be dispensed with as the points are attached to it, so I've piggybacked it with another you can see at the bottom left. This should work as it appears to have failed open circuit. However, there is now no spark at all. Panic stations. The workbench looked like this in no time at all, having dismantled the magneto and any other magneto I could find to borrow parts from. No major issues could be found. Time to cheat with a car coil and battery. But the coil was found to be energized constantly regardless of the points. The culprit was a missing spacer allowing the points to ground out. With it refitted, it sparked every time. Maybe the magneto is okay. I'll try it again. Nothing. At this point I had exhausted all my ideas for fixing the magneto without resorting to buying expensive replacement parts.
Right, this is it. This is it.
Only one thing left to try.
Work! Work! Work!
The magneto is done for now, so I will use the battery and coil. We have ignition. The dripping fuel stops as soon as the engine is rotating. Notice no choke is used here. This shot gives a good view of the magneto impulse mechanism working. It pauses the magneto, then lets it go under spring tension for starting and very slow running. Anyway, the carb works. I've since worked out that the auxiliary valve is a start valve, With it properly adjusted, I should be able to start the engine without having the carb overflowing. Next step is to repair the magneto and replace the compressed air valve. This brings us to the end of this series of videos. Thank you for watching. I will end with a few more shots of the engine running.